Pune Machine Tool Show is in its 7th edition and it have started at Auto Cluster, Chinchwad, Pune. K&T Communication, the organizer, is completing their 27 years. They started their journey promoting Indian manufacturing in 1997 with NGMAC in Ahmedabad, and they came out on a very long way. Here at Auto Cluster, this edition of Pune Machine Tool Show is featuring more than 150 exhibitors with a lot of innovations. It will be a great time for all of you to come and visit this expo and find out how the engineering innovations showcased by these exhibitors can help your shop floor.
Good morning, friends. I am here today to represent Energy Mission Machinery Limited. As a leading manufacturer in sheet metal forming machineries, it is our endeavor to find out what our customer exactly needs. So that's why we roam around the country and abroad, participating in all the exhibition, try to meet as much as possible people and understand their needs, because these days the requirements are changing every day. Customer wants something extra. So when you meet people in such exhibitions, demonstrate your product, talk to them, and then you try to understand what exactly they are looking for. And that's what we understand, to reinvent our product and suffice the customer's need and make them satisfied. So that's our vision for participating in this exhibition.
This is our 7th edition in Chikwan. It's a biennial show, and in this 7th Pune Machine Tool Show, it is more than 150 participants, and the quality participant with the upgrade and state-of-the-art machinery display. They have displayed so many machines and with the live demo, and the response of the exhibition is quite good. Yesterday, the first day, we are getting more than 2,000 visitors, and in upcoming days we are expecting more than 25,000 visitors in this show.
We Rudrali, known for the 4 decades for the manufacturing of diamonds, MCDs, for all type of jewelries, watches, semiconductors, and late in somewhere around 1913 or 1914 we started for the MCDs, PCDs, cutting tools, CBIN. Advantage what we are giving to the customer is the latest technology products made by the latest machines. Our main focus is to give the customers the productivity improvement. We have n number of the hero products. When it comes to Rudrali, almost the 90-95% of the tools are the specials. Now we are present almost in every segment. As you can see, we are starting from the aerospace to the watch industries to the optics to the jewelries. We are there, and we are very well associated with the machine tool builders. The automotive is a better and better for us, where we have the OEMs. We are accepting the challenges for the machining of productivity improvements to meet their cost effectiveness also.
Laser technology, we have started our journey in 2011 in the mindset of providing economical solution to Indian industries for their laser cutting applications, laser welding applications, laser marking applications, and sheet metal fabrication, all application outputs. So in 2011 we have started HSG laser cutting machines. We have sold many of the machines to the customer. Here in PMTS exhibition we are showcasing our own manufactured product. We are here to help you for growing your business.
We are into the machinery manufacturer and industrial solution provider. So this is one of our product which is very advanced in this industry. It is industrial traceability solutions, and we provide for the companies. Actually, in this scenario, data is very important for industrial solutions. So we provide this machine which will help Indian manufacturers for tracing their product from single casted piece to the final product. It actually provides the QR code, data matrix. It is having scanners, inbuilt panel AC, safety curtains. So although it is made on the European platform, it is having all the safety features. So we have different particular dot pin marking machines also. This is not traditional pin marking machines. It is having integrated controller system and everything. So we have a multiple range of machineries for a laser welding, marking, CO2 marking, which is helping Indian manufacturers to grow and brand their product and provide a good productivity for the Indian automotive industries, LED industries, plastic industries.
I see a great future in coming years by now. Why? Because everyone who have to make the machines and all, metal forming is going to be the major contributor over there. And laser is such a cutting technology which helps you to increase the productivity very, very fast. With the technology coming from SLTL, we are here to offer the good technology to the Indian machinery manufacturers and all kind of metal forming. And particularly when you talk about, we are going into the large size machines, which is like say 12 kilowatt, 20 kilowatt, 30 kilowatt. We are even talking about 40 kilowatt now. So we have a lot of good inquiries and the order in hand where we are going to supply a bigger machine with bevel cutting and all. So that will be giving a very good advantage to almost every kind of industry. Particularly when we talk about where you have to cut higher productivity. Higher productivity when we talk about, that means you have to cut more perimeter of your laser cutting. And when we talk about that, in the higher power, you have very fast output. That means your total productivity can be increased and the capex per cutting meter can be reduced. That is where we are going to help our metal industry people to work on.
Thank you, Pune Machine Tool, for providing us an opportunity to connect with Pune people once again. Being 500 plus machines in Pune, Pune is our biggest market. And as they say in Marathi, Pune is our God. And we are completely indispensable in Pune market. So we would really want to thank Pune people who has always supported us from our beginning of our journey till now, and we expect the same kind of response from Pune people, and we want to serve them better. So thank you very much once again.
We thankful to all our sponsors like Sajanand Laser Limited, Bhavya Machine Tool, Energy Mission Machineries India Limited, Mehta CADCAM National Process Private Limited. Also, we thanks to all 150 participants who have spent his time and money and giving us a boost in this Pune Machine Tool show. We thanks also to all visitors. They have making the successful Pune Machine Tool show. Thank you so much. Thank you.